So I'm trying to create a mock-up on a t-shirt. So what I'll do first is to go to the file, that's the file button, and I want to open. So let's open. Takes me to where I have my mock-up file, the branded t-shirt. Okay, so here it is. Let's open. And yes, it is open. So you see all of this here. Those are the files. You see the front, just like that. So I click on this. Okay. Sure. So let's dive into the next step. So I want to start with the front. Okay, here we have front. So I would start with the front. Okay, here it is. So all of these files are for the front. So I'll come here and I'll double click this and it says okay, and it takes me to another page. And here I want to work with this. Okay, so there is a logo already here. So close this. Okay, and close this. And to remove this, because we'll be replacing it. So I would now bring in my logo and I want to choose a color that I will be working with. So I may choose a box here and piece of box. Okay. Okay. So I want to change this color to the color I'll be working with. That's red. And I want to bring in my logo. Bring in the logo now. The bevel logo. Bring it in and drop it here. All right. Okay. So then next I will just go to file and save. Yeah, so now so if I just go back, I see the change made. All right, so I just want to make some changes here, and the change I want to make is the position of the logo. Okay, I want to change the position of the logo, and I'll go back here and I'll change the logo position to somewhere here. Because when you look at the image here, you want it to be somewhere here, right? Yeah, so I go back here and I think it's fine this way. So saved. And let's check it out. Oh, all right. So um, that's to go a little to the left, okay, and down. So that takes us a little to the left and down and save. All right. So let's see what we've got. Okay. So I want to reduce the size of this. Let's reduce the size. So to reduce the size, I could just come here and change the width and height just right here, you know. So, okay. Um, okay, I think there is something stopping me from adjusting the logo. I'll be back. So now let's go to the back. We'll do the same thing. And this is the folder for the back folder. So I'm just, you can see it here. No, that's not what I'll do. I want to show you how we got there. So I open this and I'll double click in this small box and it takes me to the next page. You see there's already an icon here. So what I want to do is, um, sorry, uh, oh no, let's open the Adobe folder for me. That's not what I want. Let's close this. So this is not what I want actually. So I want to close this. I'm not editing that logo. All I'm working with is the Photoshop version. So uh, oh, it's taking some time. Okay, so that's closed. So what I want to do is take this up, down. So, so uh, I'll cancel this because I don't see this. Move this and delete this. So this is what I'm working right now. Let's just take a look at it. So I'll bring in my logo again. Let's just go to the file where my logo is. I'll bring it in. No, this is hyperactive. So I'll bring it in to the Photoshop and I'll drop it right there. Yeah. So I can expand this. Control Z and expand this and locate it at the center and expand again. Okay, so there it is, and I want to save. Okay, so saved, and we go back to where the shed is and we take it apart. That's quite too large. So let's go back to where we have our work and I want to repeat the scenario and bring my logo back in. I've cancelled it right now. I'll bring my logo back in. I'll bring my logo back in and drop it right there. And I'm good like this. Just leave it this way and save. Let's see what we have. Okay, so I guess the beveled form does not work very well at the back. So let's just change that. The beveled form does not work very well at the back. I'm going to change that to the ordinary form of the logo, not the beveled form. That's, I guess that's gonna work. So what I will do right now, because um okay, let me edit content. Because I want to remove background. This I want to remove background. To edit the content, I'll take a minute or two. Background is fast. And I hope it would. That's fine. So um that's that. Save and I go back through with that. So I can move my content around. Uh, okay, and centralize this. Save and let's see. So you see the way it made it white? Well, I deleted the color. So if I want to show, I'll save again. And I'll go to the woman shed umbrella as it. But it's not well positioned. So let's work on this. It's not well positioned. Hmm. Okay, so I guess I know what to do. Let's go back here and let's remove background again. Let's remove the inner white. So that's gonna work. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so let's select subject. Okay, so subject selected. I want to select the inner layer. So I'll do is go here and select to use this tool, my quick selection tool, and I will select this positive, and I will reduce the size like so. Okay, so I can press Alt and I think this is no, no, not getting what I want. So I'll leave it this way. I'm going to use white. So let's go back here. I guess I'll just have to do this on white to show. But I want this to be wider. So I'll edit content again because I want to go to select, go to deselect, and increase size, centralize it. Okay, I think I like it this way. So I go back here and I see something up. We need to say this. Okay, I think I should go up a little. So you keep trying what you just keep trying, sometimes it's definitely work. All right, so there it is. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Let's get another work done. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this as transparent. Let me save as and save on my computer and to save it as JPEG PNG. Save as PNG and save some options. And I'll click OK and save. So all right, so let's work with something else. So let me close all of this first. Because Mockup is really interesting actually. So let's open the other one. So this other one is